How to play Left 4 Dead 2 split screen on PC. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into this video. Starting off, you need to launch your Left 4 Dead 2 in your PC. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. Then head straight into your play campaign, and under some of these options, you have to navigate to the option of add-ons since we'll be requiring an external application. In your Steam, search for SFK Teams Custom Menu Split Screen. Then you will see a subscribe bubble. Go ahead and subscribe on it. Once it is added, you will see an additional option of split screen at the top. You have to select the split screen option. Now once you have tapped on it, you have to do some of the changes in your setting that includes your keypad and mouse. So for that, go ahead and check out your settings and tap on your keypad and mouse. From this option, navigate to the option of Allow Developer Console and make sure that it is enabled. Similarly, in the Gamepad option, go ahead and set it to Enable if it is set on Disable. And by this way, you'll be able to play your matches in a split screen. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.